Hello everyone, today I present to you my new timepiece is a Schneider. It's a Swiss timepiece, like we can see. Up. You've got many models on this board. With this model, this red one, black one, there is the model Le Mans 2 with racing vibes, and this British racing green, it's my new one. Some stickers, and like we can see, a cool timepiece. Yep. Very cool. Just receive the guarantee card, international guarantee. Yep, and the beauty. Yep. Like we can see, it's a so cool timepiece. The case is in aluminum, and we can see the perfect detail, the logo on the screw, the cool mechanism mechanical with my name, Watch Passionate. It's a limited timepiece, like we can see. It's a so cool movement, in-house movement, Swiss made. All this watch is Swiss made. The strap is so cool, if we can see. Canvas with leather, very cool. The size is 44 millimeters, and I love on this dial the finish. Like we can see, look like the cockpit of the plane B29. It's a so cool timepiece. Send me in comment, my friend, what is your advice on this brand, but for me it's a so cool timepiece, and the case is very amazing. Have a good day, and sorry for this last video, but I can't wait for present this cool timepiece. Have a good day, my follower. Bye.